Hello, let's go straight to work. So if you have multiple audio files and you have a bunch of video files and you want to sync them to work perfectly, but you don't know what file goes where, which is which, don't worry, because DaVinci Resolve can do that automatically for you, because he can recognize what audio file belongs to what video file. So don't worry, I'll show you how in 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So here I have multiple audio files, and out there I have a bunch of video files, and I want to sync them, but I want to sync them perfectly. I don't want to sync them manually by myself. No. I want DaVinci Resolve to sync them perfectly for me, because I don't know what goes where. I don't know which is which. What video file is from what audio file. I don't remember that, because I recorded audio with separate recorded. This is recorded with camera. This is with something else. I don't know which is which. So that's why I'm telling you, stick with me. By sticking with me and my methods, you can be stupid for free and not worry about. Don't worry about anything. I'm on your side. So how are we going to do this? Select all files. You don't have to think about anything. Just select all files. Now all you have to do is right-click on any of the clip and select auto sync audio. So auto sync audio, and here it is based on waveform. So auto sync audio based on waveform. Click that, it'll do the job now. Some message will pop up that auto sync failed. And as you can see, it says auto sync failed, but nothing failed. Everything is perfect. This is just a notification that something is not synced, and that is because I have much more audio files than I have video files, so everything is perfectly fine. So now that is all synced, because this is recorded with separate recorded from this. You need to fix audio. If it sounds weird when you drag it on the timeline, this is what you're gonna do. Select audio, press P, which is clip attributes. There is a shortcut P, or right click it and select clip attributes. As you see, P. Go to audio tab. You see, this is mono because it is recorded in mono. So turn it to stereo, link channel 1, and down here it should also say link channel 1. Press OK, and that is all. So you see, as I'm telling you, by sticking with me, all you have to know is how to select files and how to click the mouse. And that's everything for me for today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow, because I want to take a break for a day or two. And that's all. See you next time.